Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used, and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful brand new Ram 3500 Limited, guys. So 2026 ceramic gray night edition. This one's going to have 360 cams on it, as well as adaptive cruise control. 6.7 Cummins engine underneath the hood with that ZF8 transmission. You're going to have your tow mirrors here that will extend out for you whenever you are towing. Mirror lights. You're going to have keyless entry all around this one, guys. As we get into your passenger seat, you're going to have power screen or power seats. You're going to have your 10.25-inch passenger screen, so you can mess around with that. And as you can see here, you are going to have that mega cab. So tons and tons of space in the rear, guys, with those seats where they will also fold down. 2 different charging ports, as well as heated seats in your rear seat. Coming around the back here, so you can see your trailer tow there. Backup camera already installed, as well as you are going to have towing technology package on this one, guys. So 5th wheel prep, bed hooks, bed lighting, full bed liner for you guys, so you are ready and set to go from day one. Rear sliding window up there for you guys. Here's where you'll find your fuel tank, so diesel, DEF, nice and easily accessible to you. Around this side here, where you can also see you're gonna have tons of space underneath your seats and behind for any storage and things that you might need to get back there. Blind spot here, you're also going to have blind spot control here, as well as heated mirrors, so you'll never need to worry about that, guys. Beautiful 14.4-inch display in there. Column shifter, leather wrapped wheel, adjustable pedals, memory seats, upgraded sound system, guys, with that Harman Kardon. Anything you want, this truck is going to have. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.